What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. At my house this winter power been out 2 times now, because first time we had foot of snow and the second time it was really windy, trees falling down on the wires and we lose power for at least 24 hours. So I went out to get a bunch of flashlights and half of them, the battery was dead. I can go out and get a bunch of batteries, but it is very inconvenient. So today I'm going to show you 8 different hand crank flashlights. So you don't even need the battery. If it's dead, all you have to do is hand crank it for a while and then it's going to work. Let's see what I got. First of all, I'm gonna show all of them and then we're gonna turn off the light and see what they look like in the dark. Okay, for the first flashlight, let's see what this one is all about. Whoa, it comes with the charger, that's nice. Looks like you just plug it in into your computer and charge it up, yep. Oh wow, this one is really cool. I was actually very excited to see how it works. Everything is in different language that I don't understand, so I'm just gonna figure it out how it works. Alright, here, off, on, alarm. Whoa! You can turn on an alarm. There is a radio, and you can just skip to the different station.
Store more, save more event, only at the Home Depot.
Wow, this is awesome. Okay, we have a radio. What else we have here? And there's a flashlight. You know what's the coolest part about this flashlight? It has knives. There's a little saw, screwdriver, another screwdriver, and of course we got here can opener. That's really cool. So this right here, a multi-tool knife, and right here, that's how you open it and then charge it. You see that blue light lights up when I spin it, so that way I can sit here, spin it around and then charge it. That's a perfect survival flashlight. See what else I got. These 2 flashlights, probably one of my most favorite. They're really small and handy, but the light that they put out, amazing. Let me take it out. This one has solar panel and also a hand crank. But this flashlight even better. What you do is just press this and you see it unlocks it. You can lock it back in, press it, and all you have to do is just keep pressing it and it will power up the battery. Turn it on. You can keep it on and power it up while you're working. Don't press it too hard because you might break the pin. So kinda use light press on it. It is only a couple of dollars each flashlight. So very cheap but very useful. I use this when the power out all the time because I don't have to worry about batteries at all. All I have to do is press this and it recharges itself. So it's a self-recharging flashlight. And of course we need a lantern. If you guys bored, lights are out, electricity nowhere to be found, boom, you will need a lantern. Whoa, this is cool. I never seen a flashlight like this. This is a regular flashlight. A very bright 3 LED flashlight. Press it again, you got yourself a LED flashlight right here. And look, there's a little handle that you can walk around. I love the reflector that it has. We'll have to put it to the test in the dark. Press it again, you got yourself red lights, like emergency light. And the coolest part right here, if its battery is out, you can just open it and start spinning it and it's going to recharge. We got ourselves a regular flashlight right here. And if you need a lantern, boom, you got yourself a lantern. How cool is that? I love this lantern flashlight. And for this hand crank flashlight, let's open it up. It's another lantern. You got yourself a wire to recharge it. And let's see how it works. Whoa, what is this? You can recharge it right here. Let's try to press it on. Oh, nice. Look, you got yourself a regular flashlight right here. And I think it opens somehow. Okay, let's turn it off. Oh, wow, it can get brighter. Turn it off. Okay, there you go. That's how you open it. And now let's turn it on. Boom, and you got yourself a little lantern that's collapsible. You can press it and make it brighter. Oh, wow, that's an awesome idea. Look at it. You got yourself a lantern, right? But if you close it, you got yourself a real regular flashlight. And all it is just pops in. Wow, that's such an amazing idea. I never seen a lantern flashlight designed like this. Pop it open like this, boom, you got yourself a lantern. Close it, boom, you got yourself a flashlight. Right here on the bottom you can recharge it. Hankerin charging system. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Once again, comes with a rechargeable wire if you would like to do so, but it is also solar right here, and right here hand crank, so you can recharge it by hand. Whoa, look at that! When you spin it, it actually tells you how full it is. Amazing. So there is an option, you can spin it up and charge it up. Also, there's a radio, and then you can turn it up, turn it down. And a flashlight, you turn it on right here. We got here 3 LED light bulbs. The speaker right here. Also, you can open it up like this. Let's try to turn it on. No, that's not the bottom how it turns on. Oh, right here. Wow, you hold it and it makes it brighter. How do you turn it on? You hold it and it dims down. Wow, this is a dimmable flashlight. I never seen that before. So check this out. This is like a desk lamp. Plug it in here and look, you got yourself a little lamp, but it's a flashlight desk lamp. How cool is that? So if you need to change the tire, you set this somewhere on the side. Perfect. You can dim it. You can dim it brighter. Of course, if you want to conserve the battery, you want to dim it not too bright. So that way at least you can see. Wow, this is the coolest. This is definitely the weirdest flashlight I ever seen. Look, and I can turn on this flashlight and this flashlight at the same time. And I love this option. It tells you how much batteries you have left. Oh look, and if you don't want to dim it, just press it one time and it will turn off. Press it one time and it will get to the brightest. This thing is the best flashlight I ever seen. And for the next flashlight, this is a Keychain Hankerin flashlight, and also has a little solar battery, so that way it can charge up when your keys are on the table or something. But look at this little Hankerin, that's so awesome. You can spin it and charge it up. Once you're done, close it, boom, and let's see if we turn it on. Whoa, that's a bright little flashlight. It's perfect. How many times you trying to find a key lock hole and put a key in the dark, and it's so hard to see which key you need to put it into the lock, and you have a whole bunch of keys. That way you put it on your keychain and you know which key is which, because you can see with this little flashlight. Or let's say you're in the basement and lights go out. No big deal, you can still get out of there by using your little flashlight, a Keychain flashlight, as long as it's on you. Pretty awesome, huh? And for the last survival flashlight, this is a life light. This is more like for the car, because there's a couple of features is pretty much used for the car. But this is what I'm talking about, why it's best for the car. Because right here we have a rope cutter or a seatbelt cutter. Maybe you like fell into the water. It happens all the time. You see it on the news all the time. You grab this, cut your seatbelt. Then right here, you got yourself a window breaker. Again, you can't get out. Maybe car is on fire and the door is smashed. You cannot open it. You grab this flashlight and break the window with this very sharp point. I like how they put this rubber to protect it. Obviously, 3 LED flashlights. Turn it on. Whoa, very bright flashlights. Right here, there's magnets. You can put it on your car and it will stick. This is a neodymium magnets, very strong magnets. And boom, and turn this on. That way people know you stuck. Let me show you. Boom, you see it's magnetized really well. And the most important, obviously, you can hand crank and recharge your flashlight, cell phone, anything you need to recharge. Awesome, because this flashlight works also like a power bank. Also, very quickly, let's see how well these flashlights are. It's kind of semi-dark right now, but wow, this flashlight definitely really bright. Press it right here for the lantern. I love the lantern option. And a signal mode right here. Perfect. Now this flashlight right here. Very bright as you can see. And this right here, let's turn it on. Boom. That's insane. Look at that. That's so bright. Incredible. Love this flashlight. The signal is very, very bright also. And the flashlight, very, very bright. Keychain flashlight, boom. Whoa! But anyways, let me know in comments below which flashlights was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.